The machine is now assembled. Let's take a look at the whole picture of the whole machine. First of all, we have a label AB on the pump head. CD represents the pump heads respectively. Then the corresponding water outlet is ABCD. From right to left BCD. The order must not be wrong. Secondly, it's a probe position for our bottle. So, first of all, if the first probe is aimed at the thread of the bottle mouth, where the probe corresponds to the thread of the bottle mouth, the second probe corresponds to the last place where the bottle mouth thread. If not correct, that bottle won't stop. And then there's our baffle. After launching, the full bottles should be next to this baffle. This position is more accurate, so be sure to check it well when checking. The elevator can move back and forth. Take a look at the back lift. Just fix this baffle directly. Stainless steel plate. This is a water inlet. This is a water outlet. If you want to face down, if it is facing up, it is out. This is a limiter, mainly to stop the lift at this position. Then the distance it can be adjusted on the host. Then this place. It's like powering this elevator. And then we're going to look at the back. This is also for the lift. A solenoid valve. And then this is probe 1. This is prober. Below is the conveyor. The location must not be wrong. The corresponding one is probe 1. This is prober. After the machine is powered on, set it up first. This probe drops a distance. Click on the menu. Click to other settings, point settings. Turn to page R. Item 8 the setting of a lift. Click to set the moving distance. We're down 130 millimeters now. 13 厘米 on top. If your bottle is taller, or if you want to go deeper, can be set. Then this is the movement speed. Just adjust the speed to brush or save directly after setting. Then when we pre-test it, or just pull the pipe out and let it idle. Otherwise, set this speed to 0 There's first. A filling speed. Set it to 0 If you first. Adjust it to 0, it means that there will be no water. This water is flowing everywhere. Inconvenient first to set this speed to then 0. We can test it first. Better start. It won't come out of the water. Simulate it first. Okay, bring the bottle. Can you watch it again? Click Start. When the bottle passes the first probe, after the baffle pops out and is in place, it starts to drop directly after when filling. The bottle is gone, the retaining wall will automatically pop out. This is the normal bottle mouth spacing. This bottle mouth is about 30 毫米, so 3 centimeters. Let's set it up on the screen. Click on the menu. Other settings. The width of the first atom bottle if your bottle has a small mouth, 2020毫米 worth, just set 20毫米 in it. After setting, return to save. Next, we set out how to adjust this capacity. For example, how long does it take we need to adjust 250 because the speed just now was adjust the speed first. The menu has a speed adjustment. The largest is because this bottle faster, is relatively so let's small. First adjust this speed to 50. Okay, sure. We click settings. Then when we click to it directly started to drop the air in the pipe first. Okay. After the tube is full of liquid, we take 4 empty bottles and put them under the water outlet. Also press the set button. It's going to flash here. Let's test it first. It takes about a few seconds to can 500毫升. Okay, let's press this start button directly when it is almost button full. Is the pause button is also the start button. Let's click start. At this point, we observe a bottle is exactly 250毫升. Bottle B is also almost bottle. The D bottle is a bit too much. Okay, Let's leave it alone for now. It takes 3.68 seconds to can 250毫升. Click on the menu. There is a unit adjustment in it. Now it's time to quantify. We transfer to this capacity. This bottle is 250 grams. You can just set 250 grams. Okay, let's make sure. Be sure to take this. Put this check mark in front of After this click, we can click back. At this time, it takes 3.68 seconds to can 250毫升. If you feel that this 250毫升 is too much, you can subtract a little. For example, think about setting it to 240. Okay, let's click set 240. When you click set now, this second will change. Pay attention to the point setting here becomes 3.58 seconds. This capacity is reduced in proportion to this second. So you just need to adjust this capacity. No need to adjust this because second anymore. Second is much worse. At this point, our capacity is set first. Better start. Okay, let's pause it. Take a look. Now ABC is 1. The variety is only a little too much if it is ground level, so we're going to make an error here. Click on the menu. The first item has an error adjustment. It says more minus plus than pump. It is equal to if it is more than a lot more than A. BCD if more than A, then you reduce. If it is less than A, because all BC is the same as A, put D. We order a menu. D is too much. We can subtract 10毫升. This setting is an addition and a subtraction. This plus or minus sign. Okay, click OK after we're done. Okay, fill another set. At this time, a head of square meters is the same. I just turned D. At this point, we have completed one detail needs this probe must be aimed at the mouth of the bottle. Thread place. The first one is facing the first probe. The second probe is aimed at the second bottle. Okay, move the bottle to the right. Okay. Pay attention to the first probe when pushing forward. The probe will flash. This is fine. Return it again and take a look again. When the bottle moves, this probe must be flashing. Only in this we can